Today we are looking at the 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV in Black Raven. This full-size SUV is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful jet black leather seats in all three rows. These seats feature heating in the second row, as well as heating, ventilation, and massage function in the front row. Your interior is finished in jet black. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media controls, Cadillac Super Cruise with an OnStar subscription, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers, high beams, your gear shifter, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find controls for drive mode, parking brake, trailer brake, and interior lights. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look at the heads-up display, as well as, behind the steering wheel, this beautiful 55-inch curved display, consisting of three components: the passenger screen, which is compatible with HDMI and headphone connectivity; the center screen, your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google apps such as Maps and Assistant, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your climate controls. This screen also holds seat controls, such as massage, heating, and more. Behind the screen, you'll find a wireless charging pad and two USB-C ports. In the center, you'll find your center console, which features two USB ports, a 12-volt port, and plenty of room for storage. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful vertical LED headlights. This Escalade is equipped with the Onyx Package, which includes all blacked out exterior options, such as the front grille, bumper, and more. The black Cadillac logo in the center also features illumination. Below, this Escalade sits on gloss black alloy wheels. As we look along the side of the exterior, as previously mentioned, you'll find all black exterior options, such as roof rails, illuminated door handles, and park assist steps that automatically open once you open any of the doors. As we head to the back, we can take a look at the hands-free power liftgate, showcasing the spacious cargo area. This cargo area can of course be extended with the power controls on the right-hand side, allowing you to lower the second and third row of seating. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with captain seating, plenty of legroom, heated seats, climate controls, retractable cup holders, USB-C charging, and HDMI ports that connect, of course, to the screens on the back of the driver and passenger seats. The second row of seating is fully adjustable, which means you can recline it, move it forward and backwards, or collapse the seat, allowing for ease of access into the third row or extension of cargo room. The third row of seating also offers USB-C charging and cup holders. Look up and you'll notice that beautiful panoramic sunroof allowing sunlight into the entire vehicle. And that is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV in Black Raven, located at Wolfe Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.